Welcome to day 28 of 100 Days of AI Automations. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a simple automation using Make with SambaNova AI and Google Sheets. The idea is very straightforward. We'll list the available SambaNova AI models and automatically send that data directly into a Google Sheet without writing a single line of code. This is a simple setup but a strong first step. I'll dive deeper into Make automations with SambaNova in upcoming videos. You'll see how easy it is to connect AI with Google Sheets and start automating workflows. Let's dive in.
Okay, so first thing you have to do is just go to mac.com, then create your account, and if you already have account, then simply log in. And in sidebar, go to scenarios, then click on create scenarios. In search apps or modules, just type in SambaNova, and for beginning, select list cloud models from SambaNova modules. Now click on add another module, then select Google Sheets from the list.
And that's it. This is how you can send AI responses directly into your Google Sheet without writing a single line of code. Turn possibilities into reality. Get started with the SambaNova developer tier today.